Have you ever wondered how the car you drive goes from raw materials to a fully functional vehicle? Today we'll take a behind-the-scenes look at the car assembly process, step by step. Car manufacturing is a complex process broken down into several stages, each crucial to the final product's quality and safety. Let's break it down, starting from the very beginning. First, we have the stamping stage. Here, large sheets of steel or aluminum are pressed into specific shapes to form the body panels of the car, doors, hoods, fenders, and more. These massive stamping machines exert tons of pressure to create parts with precision. Next is the welding stage. The stamped parts are now assembled to create the car's skeleton, known as the body in white. This framework is welded together mostly by robotic arms, ensuring strength and consistency. Once the frame is complete, we move on to the painting stage. Here, the car body undergoes several coats of paint, primer, color, and a clear coat for protection. Each car is baked in an oven to harden the paint, ensuring a durable, shiny finish. Now we arrive at the heart of the process, the final assembly line. This is where the engine, transmission, suspension, and electrical systems are installed. Every part is meticulously added, from the wheels to the dashboard. Humans and machines work side by side to make sure everything fits perfectly. Once the car is fully assembled, it enters the quality inspection stage. Here, engineers test the vehicle's alignment, electrical systems, and safety features. This stage ensures that every car meets the manufacturer's strict standards before it leaves the factory. After passing all tests, the car is finally ready to roll off the assembly line. From raw materials to a fully functioning vehicle, the process is a testament to modern engineering and teamwork. So the next time you get behind the wheel, you'll know just how much effort goes into building the car that takes you places. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights.